Here is Kenway here. So today I'm going to show you how to make a best paper airplane. And I know there's a lot of best paper airplane. I searched on YouTube. I saw a lot of making paper airplane. Let's see the most best airplane. This is my most best airplane ever. So let's start. First we're gonna do is take one piece of paper like this. So fold in half. Just go. Okay, so we're gonna do fold. Into the edge of the corner. Yes. Okay, once you have it, just like this. It's just like this. So when you go open it and fold. Once you fold it, you fold here. Okay. And fold here. Okay, once you fold here. Fold it here and fold it here. Okay, so this is the best airplane ever. So I tried many times until I finally got it the best airplane. So it's quite very easy. So make sure this one will get bigger. So once you must fold out to here. Yes. Yep. Yes, I'm correct. And fold here. Fold here. Okay. So fold here. And here. Okay. So I want to go for here. Okay. And do the same thing to the other side. So that's not all. So what I'm gonna do is take a scissors. Here's the scissors. So cut it here. And lift it up. And that's how you have an airplane. So it's the highest, coolest airplane ever. Okay, I'm gonna test it. Whoa, it's cool. We just fly. Okay, guys. So this is the best airplane ever. So take care, guys.